Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Art. And what we have here is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this is really just a quick unboxing. I'm not an expert tech reviewer, I'm just an average guy, just kind of just unboxing a phone. So I'm not going to bore you on all the specs. I'll just give you the main ones. It's a 6.9-inch dynamic display, 2600 nit brightness, 498 ppi. It does have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 4. It's 3 nanometer technology, so it's pretty much the latest chip. Runs on the Adreno 830 GPU, and it's 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gig storage. So it's pretty basic. It's nothing overwhelming compared to a lot of other phones on the market. Same camera, it's pretty much as the S24 Ultra, except the ultra wide now is 50 megapixel. Sorry, and this is in titanium black. So without further ado, I'd like to get started. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here we go, and here it is. Over this. Oof. It does look nice. Sturdy, somewhat light. Titanium black. Nice. Feels nice. Not much different than the 24, except the rounded edges. Let's give this one a go. There we go. So let's just do a really quick comparison with the 24 Ultra. Here you go. Looks pretty much almost the same size. Again, it's the edges. It's the rounded edges, as you can see here. See the edges here, and the sides are a bit flatter. They're flatter on the 25 Ultra. They're a bit curvy here on the 24. Back looks almost the same, except the rings here are more, they got the outline. I kind of like that, actually. And this is it. Yeah, looks nice. So it's definitely lighter. It's lighter. All right, so I'm gonna spark this baby up. Let's see how much juice it has. So let me just clear the way here, and I'm gonna open it up. Oh, silly me! As you can see, I am an amateur. I forgot to do the rest of what's inside the box. I don't think there's much. There you go. This is just the cord and the SIM rejection. That's it. Nothing else. There is nothing else in the box. Thank you. Be right back. All right, so let's spark this baby up. Let's go. Is there no juice in here? Wow. Oh, there we go. For a second there, I thought there was no power. I thought there was no charge in the battery. All right, so let's get this going. SIM card detected, so I'm going to all right, here we go. Nice big bright screen. So I'm going to do this setup, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back with a couple more just quick reviews as to how I'm going along with this. Again, as you can see, I am not a professional at this. I'm just really an amateur, just wanting wanting to show you guys the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I'm going to put everything in here, and I'll make some really quick reviews and comparisons with the S24 really soon. All right, thank you.